Rob Hilton for Monkey Vision. Rob Hilton for Mammoth Innovation. Well, 2020, what a year it was. Thank you so much to all of our customers, whether you've purchased cameras from us, whether you've purchased the Monkey Monitor Pro. Really appreciate the support. Today, I've got a big announcement. I'm releasing a new product that we'll be taking into market early 2021, and it's called the Concierge. The Concierge with the Monkey Monitor Pro, now with more upgrades, our US facial recognition chip, the best in the business, our full access control system, and now we're adding to it a whole software platform called the Monkey Matrix AI system. Will allow you to have a full touch-free experience. Everything all our customers have been asking us for. Check in on your smartphone, take a selfie, use your face to check in, COVID questions, factory induction questions, notifications on arrival, full feature time management system. This is unbelievable. Also features a full high definition screen for those magic moments when your customers come in. Also, the screen can take videos and clear all of that clutter that we've seen in so many reception areas with all those COVID rules and everything else. Can all go on this sexy looking screen. And on top of that, we can now print visitor passes. Amazing. Talk to us. We can upgrade your existing Monkey Monitor Pro to this Concierge system. Thanks for your support. Rob Hilton, over and out.